Begin the yoke installation by pulling the hanger wire through the center hole along the top of the yoke. The USG Logix yoke is an optional suspension system installation accessory that facilitates the spacing and suspension of parallel main tees with one hanger wire. Insert the yoke rivet tab through the cross tee slot and field bend the rivet tab in the same direction of the yoke flange to avoid interfering with the cross tee intersection. The yoke is installed a maximum 48 inches apart and suspended from the structure by a minimum 12-gauge galvanized annealed steel wire manufactured in accordance with ASTM A641. Insert cross tees through the same slot as the yoke tabs on the opposite side of the yoke flange. Be certain the bottom leg of the yoke is seated flush and squarely on the bottom of the tee. Use a clamp to hold the yoke in place. Screw attach the yoke to the cross tee with a 7/16" self-tapping panhead screw. Connect the yoke to the main tee with an 1/8" diameter steel pop rivet inserted from the inside of the utility channel through the rivet tab and into the web of the main tee so that the finished side of the pop rivet is facing the inside of the channel. Complete the installation by leveling the sealing system and bend and twist the wire on the yoke 3 full turns in a tight wrap.